Welcome, today in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app here, click here enable in settings, near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher. Now just twice click to OK. Just go back, here tap to the switch input methods and switch the keyboard to English United States keyboard. And as can you see, the process is finished, and now we'll go somewhere where we can enter something, for example here. And now as can you see, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all the emojis. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.